Iran's unprecedented overnight attack on Israel has been foiled, the Israeli military said on Sunday, with hundreds of missiles and drones intercepted with the help of the United States and allies. Iran had launched more than 200 drones and missiles on Israel in an unprecedented attack late on Saturday, in response to a deadly airstrike on its Damascus consular annex earlier this month. Its proxies and allies also carried out coordinated attacks on Israeli positions as sirens sounded in many places, and AFP correspondents heard blasts in the skies above Jerusalem early on Sunday. What we know so far. Israeli army says minor damage to air base. US helps Israel down nearly all Iran attacks. UK, France reaffirm commitment to Israel's security. Iran says matter of Syria attack can be deemed concluded. Media report says Biden opposed Tel Aviv retaliating. UN Security Council to meet at around 8 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time at Israel's request. Iran had repeatedly threatened to strike Israel in retaliation for a deadly April 1 air strike on its Damascus consular annex, and Washington had warned repeatedly in recent days that the reprisals were imminent. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps (IRGC) launched extensive retaliatory drone and missile strikes as part of what they called the Operation True Promise against certain targets inside Israel. Israel's military said the drones, which Iraqi security sources said were seen flying over the country from Iran, would take hours to reach their targets, after the IRGC announced that Operation True Promise was part of punishment for Israeli crimes. Late on Saturday, the Israeli army said Iran had launched a massive swarm of over 200 killer drones, ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. The army said it had scrambled dozens of fighter jets to intercept all aerial threats and was working with the US and other allies to stop the launches.